Go beep beep. Good job. Whoa, you're driving reckless.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been spending flowers to me, flowers today.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Richay here, back again with another video. Come along with us as we experience the 2023 solar annular, this word right here, eclipse. So we were running late, as I thought we were running late. It seems like San Antonio's like ghost town. It is rush hour, and getting from one side of town all the way back to, what is this, UIW Broadway area, to the Duceum, which is where we're going to spend today, was too easy. I wanted to get here almost 2 hours before it opened because the Duceum was like, the first 500 people get free glasses and free admission. So I'm like, oh no, it's gonna be a whole bunch of people. A whole bunch of people. No, we're literally the only ones in this parking lot right now. And as you can tell, I am not in my 4Runner. It is currently broken. Yeah, I gotta figure out how to fix it. But we're the only ones in this parking lot. There's literally nobody here. Sorry, Cece. I'm waking my daughter up. And it is 8 a.m. I was gonna say p.m. It is 8 a.m. We were in a rush to leave the house, so Zizi woke up about an hour before she was supposed to. Maybe someone else might be here. Yeah. Okay, so we got to get out. But we decided that we wanted to be a part of the first 500 people to experience this. I'm sorry, baby. It's okay. Mommy's coming. Or at least I decided this, and she's not too happy with my decision. I get to use filters now that I'm recording on this thing. I've been debating on showing you guys her face on my YouTube channel for a while now, but given the fact that I am a mom, and a lot of my content is now going to be about being a mom and doing mom things. This is my daughter, Zizi. So I want to get her a SeaWorld pass. Well, I want to get us a SeaWorld pass, because although my life was like never, I said this. I'm not a maternity person. I'm not really, oh my God, come along with me to baby showers and all that. Like, no, I'm still me, still very much me. Never been excited about giving birth, none of that. So you don't have to worry about that content change. I might make a baby, I might make a baby thing here or there, but like, you're not really gonna see a lot of that on my channel. Don't really want to be a YouTube mom, if that makes sense. I just want to continue doing me and being me. Don't listen to what I said. I'm a liar. This little girl's my world, like my whole world. I'm going to make her my personality. Like, don't take me seriously on that. I still will be making clothes. I really want to start. Are you okay? I really want to start making clothes again, and lingerie and all of that. But I also want to incorporate, you know, my mom life. I'm a mom, which I know won't resonate for a lot of y'all, because y'all followed me for like my sewing skills, or skills if you call it that. I just so happen to have a kid now. Come here, baby. Give me your hand, silly. Give me your hand. What are you doing? You're in the ice cream man truck. You got beep beep. You're going backwards. Pick up your feet. Go beep beep. Good job. Whoa, you're driving reckless. Ma'am, you need to look behind you when reversing. This is not your vehicle. This is not your vehicle. You don't work for UPS. Okay, come on. Since you already stole the truck, I guess we gotta go deliver packages. All right. Here's your first package. We gotta take it to the car wash.
stole the vehicle. You gotta do the job. Come on. Oh no, we might get in an accident. So we had to pick up her mail. She had a car wash repair and a Whataburger food truck. Whataburger food truck. We're not going through. Ma'am, keep both feet inside the vehicle at all times.
Are you driving?
You're trying to go into the van. That's not a good idea.
So where are we going next? We go to see Antonio's.
We're passing by the airport security and we gotta drop off the mail. We gotta drop off the mail. We gotta send it off because you need to file your claim with the car wash and send this package to the Whataburger truck. And gotta send that to the car wash. Okay, are we getting out? Okay, we gotta park the car. We gotta put the car back if we're getting out. Okay, we've decided to abandon the vehicle that we stole and steal another one. Oh Lord. Miss Ma'am, you cannot keep stealing other people's vehicles. Come on, you didn't want the ice cream truck. You're really lucky that there's no baby jail in here, because you would be in it. We'll put you in the little crawler area, the baby area. How are you getting in? You're reversing. Get in.
There we go.
All right, now what? Now you're in the ice cream truck. Are you gonna go sell ice cream?
Or you gonna just sit in it?
She's probably gonna reverse. That's the only thing she knows how to do.
Probably. Let's see.
Can we go forward? No? Just reverse? Okay. Can we go into the store? We need groceries. You can't take that little boy's car. You can't take his car, baby. Come on. Come on. Say thank you. Oh. Here's your toolbox. Let's go. What are we gonna fix?
Airplane.
We got a job in tiny town. I don't think wearing a dress with the exposed knees is good. You might accidentally hurt yourself with your tool. Or what if you're using the saw? I feel like you're supposed to be covered up and wearing safety glasses. I'm just being a mother. Overly protective. Also, I just noticed that there's money everywhere here. So, money may not be something she's concerned about here in Tiny Town. Tools. Alright, so we're done stealing other people's cars. And we're done crashing other people's cars and running stop signs. All her decisions, by the way. And not delivering packages after we steal the UPS truck. And she didn't want to go at all. So we're gonna find somewhere else to go. Thank you. Because there's plenty to do in this museum. That was just one of my favorite parts when it was the Children's Museum. I think we should find someone and ask when we're supposed to be outside for the eclipse. And her hair is a mess.
Up.
Up, we are up. Round and round, round and round. Thank you. Literally can't see anything. But I guess that's what happens when you have to wear glasses. That would be the sun. It's so small. I guess we're on Spy Basics 101. To which she's obviously doing such a good job. Doobie doobie doob. She's kind of cool. And my child is gone again. I love the little layout and the sets. Agent Z. Can I have that? She doesn't know where she's going. You want a fedora, Miss Detective? I'm afraid to put these on your head. It looks clean. Hat. And she's leaving it on, surprisingly. Yay! Miss Detective. Hat. Detective hat all. Uh-oh. She's gonna carry her detective hat all around. She doesn't anyone. She's like Perry the Platypus. Doesn't want anyone to know that she's the detective. Doobie doobie dooba doobie doobie dooba doobie doobie. Oh wait, no, this is a color, right? Zoila, the child. Oh, you gotta test weights, try and get them even. Create your own weight. Peanut butter jars. Spies in disguise. I feel like she's on a pattern right now. I also think these are like secret agent coats. But we're not gonna put that on her because she won't keep it. She's got her own in the stroller actually. She's got a trench coat. So that'd be funny. I just want you to see the moon. You can see this reflection from the leaves. We found some bigger stairs, and they make noise as we step on them. Yes, you are going up. It's getting darker. So this place is actually really massive. And we are currently upstairs because Zizi decided to climb the stairs. I had to find a bathroom, but this is like the discovery, like invention kind of area. I like to think this is for bigger kids because you can actually build stuff and like learn how things are made, and you learn about physics and whatnot. I think the most you will like about this is that there's a bunch of balls. What? Balls? See, she said balls. All right, we finally made it up to the tree house. It is now. Oh, they're having little wedding photos. Woo! It's like almost 3 p.m. Yeah, Zizi. She's gonna be so tired when we get in that car. Oh, I'm so sorry. She's gonna be incredibly tired when we get in that car. And up the treehouse we go. This kind of reminds me of the San Antonio Zoo. Look at the windows. This is the music area. The Children's Museum used to have this. Oh, someone lost their headband. And we're definitely not going into the river area. They used to have pots and pans. Oh, this reminds me of Haunted Mansion. That we would bang on. Can you reach? What about this one, Susie? Stand up. Oh, you're getting down? Okay, you're gonna fall. This is not gonna end well. Here. You're welcome. Don't put that in your mouth. You're welcome. Yeah, it's time for us to go home. She's clearly very tired. So that's our day at the Duceum in San Antonio, Texas. I'm sorry if you didn't get to see it where you're from, but hope you enjoyed it like we enjoyed it. And by we, I mean me, because she didn't even look up, which is good. Oh, thank you, baby. But of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, follow me on all social medias. They're all at Okayrichay.
Bye bye.
I'll see you next time.